Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. In today's session, we are going to discuss about important topics of the MSET. When we comparing with the JEE mains, MSET is little bit very easy. Why? Because the main difference between JEE main and the MSET is JEE main, the questions each numerical in the physics will be associated with minimum to minimum 2 to 6 formulas will come. Minimum 2 formulas, maximum 6 to, it may vary also depending upon the depth of the question. But here in case of MSET, maximum the questions will be in between of 1 or 2 formulas, maximum it may go to the 3 formula. And moreover, you can expect some questions even from the theory also in the MSET. So, by careful observation and the what is the trend of the question pattern, after analysis, then we have brought then this type of one analysis. And I hope that this analysis will helps you a lot, because it has been taken very strategically, logically, and so it will be useful for you. And this has been classified into 3 categories. Number 1, high weightage and more marks. So whatever it is there on the at present in the board, those are high weightage with more marks. In sense, then you will get minimum to minimum 2 to 4 questions from each chapter. You will get 199%. Then you can expect. And the next one is there, low weightage compulsory. In the low weightage chapters, one chapter in subtopics we will discuss. Those subtopics you go through once, maximum that will be useful for you. For example, any one chapter is there. And semiconductors. In the semiconductors, you go through only about particularly about the logical gates. 99.99% question will come from the logical gates from the semiconductors. So from that chapter, we have classified those some chapters low weightage compulsory. From those chapters, minimum to minimum, we have picked up some 11 chapters, and from those chapters, then you can get some questions from there. And from this one, 2 to 4. And the third category is there, low weightage, more time, more lengthy chapters. Those chapters is a choice of yours. You go through, first of all, go through these all chapters, whatever we have written on the, I have written on the board, and those all chapters, including subtopics also I have given. And 99% from those subchapters on subtopics only, the questions you can expect, even from the next low weightage and compulsory. And the moderate weightage and lengthy chapters, when you are finding time, you can go through them also once. Let's start the topics here. And first of all, now let us take high weightage chapters in the laws of motion. From the laws of motion, the one theory question is coming from the basics. So have an idea about the 3 laws and these all formulas. Force, impulse, applications of the impulse, motion of connected bodies. This is most important. Block, spring, lift. A little bit of trick is that. With that trick, any sort of the question, then you will easily understand how can do solve this one. And friction in types. Simple formula, then you will easily get 1 mark on that one. And so that is the very easy chapter, the laws of motion. Coming to the work, energy and power. Work, different formulas are there. Only formulas, no need of going too deep. Only the formula, basic formula is the formulas are there. Those formulas you go through. Even work, energy, as well as even work energy theorem. Very important one. Very important one. And 100%, I mean 99% you can expect one question from that. Even for a power also. Power also having multiple formulas are there. From those formulas, and only those formulas and a numerical you practice, you will get it. And gravitation, one of the easiest chapter. This is chapter 100%, 2 to 4 questions you can expect from this chapter. And that is Newton's laws of gravitation. Very simple formula that is. And acceleration due to gravity. In the acceleration due to gravity, 2 formulas are there, and one formula is above the, when it is going to above the height, above the earth surface, the height, and how the acceleration changes. When it is going to d depth, ground, when it is going, how the acceleration due to gravity changes, that one you can take. And gravitational field, based on this one, gravitational field intensity and Kepler's law. Gravitational field intensity, and 3 cases are there: on the surface, then below the surface of the sphere, and above the surface of the sphere. Even you have to go through once these graph also, the most important graph that is. And now coming to the next one, thermodynamics, the most easiest one, and minimum to minimum 4 marks you can expect. If luck works, no, then 100%, 99% you will get 4 marks from this. And first law of thermodynamics, you go through that. Next one is thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic process, 5 processes are there, and from those 5 processes, just you go through once. And apart from that one, indicator diagram also you should see, because from the indicator diagram only the question is coming. Next one is a heat engine and heat engine, refrigerator and Carnot's engine. In this heat engine, these 3 engines are there. You go through those formulas, only those formulas, and mostly then you can get the formulas from the Carnot's engine. So you can get one sum from this one. So these all are, just take only the formula and numericals, you practice those enough. And moving charges and magnetism, and from this one of the little bit formulas will be lengthy, so practice it, you will get it, and only 2 formulas you have to go, 2 theorems you have to go that. And first one is Biot-Savart's law, and second one is Ampere's circuit law, and all the cases. In these both theorems you have to go through all the cases, the formulas, then you will get it easily. Electrostatic potential and capacitance, and this is a little bit relevant to the gravitation. So just comparatively you read this electrostatic potential, and so this electrostatic potential, electric field, electrostatic potential energy, and capacitors and capacitance, grouping of capacitors, these all things, just take the basic formulas and solve the numericals based on that. And coming to the last chapter of this high weightage and system of particles and rotatory motion and center of mass, such easy formula that is. And from that formula very often one question is coming. And torque, angular momentum, momentum of inertia, radius of gyration, and rotational kinetic energy, these all formulas also. Just take down the formulas and the numericals based on that one, just you go on, so that you will get a maximum benefit of this. These all then it will be an added advantage to you for your regular preparation. And now let us switch to the next topic. Hi students, see now we have come to the low weightage chapters. Before going to learn about these low weightage chapters, then in the Telugu Academy book, after completing of every chapter, at the end summary is there. In that summary, just you go through that summary, then just you will get minimum to minimum 2 or 3 marks. How it is? First one is, if any theory questions comes, no, 99% the question will be from this summary one. Number 2, their dimension formulas are given. Every chapter it is consistent depending upon the subject, depth of the subject. Then 2 to 8 dimension formulas are there. So those dimension formulas there itself we can learn, and 99% dimension formulas those only will come. Third one is, and every chapter is consisting of what are the formulas are there, those all formulas have been given at the end. So those formulas again we can get those formulas there itself. Those formulas will help us to solve the numericals what are coming in the answer. Now let us see, this is a low weightage compulsory, and we have I have taken out some important topics and subtopics. You just go through those subtopics. First focus on these subtopics. Whenever you are finding time, you can go for the remaining. First go through this one, because these are carefully taken, and these subtopics have been picked up by continuous analysis of the papers, and so it will be useful for you. And so first one is, and units low weightage, in the units and measurements only 2 are there, that is dimension formula and error percentage. And in the semiconductors you go through logical gates, and communication system will go through, this is the one question you can expect from the theory, that is either ground spaces skywave communications. Theory questions, this is electromagnetic waves, then read the properties of electromagnetic waves and Maxwell's equations. Maxwell equations, you go through that once. The wave optics, then Young's double slit experiment. Only just you first focus on Young's double slit experiment. In that too, fringe width is the most important, most important. The formula, and there will be possibilities are there, 99% one application numerical will come from this YDSC fringe width. Next, oscillations, these all definitions you go through once. Displacement of phase, velocity, acceleration, energy, very simple, simply will understand that, and you just go through those definitions as well as even formulas also. and dual nature of matter and radiation. In this one, photoelectric effect and de Broglie equation. Photoelectric effect and de Broglie equation, and 99% you can get application numericals from this chapter only from this one. And atoms and nucleus, you go through that once, hydrogen spectrum, and calculate how does a Lyman-Balmer fashion bracket fund series, those all things, and how this will be changes, and so you go through that formula, and so you will get one question from this hydrogen spectrum. Next, mechanical properties of matter. In this one, Hooke's law is there based on this one, Young's modulus and bulk modulus. From most probably you can expect one question from the Young's modulus. So just you go through once the formulas and how to do solving the sums. And waves, coming to the waves part, organic pipes. Organ pipes, in the organ pipes, and there are two organ pipes open and closed, and you go through those formulas, those may be enough to you. And motion in a plane, and this one of the very easy, and memorize these three formulas, and these three formulas are little bit confused over that because all appears are very close. Matter of practice, you will get perfect in that. Time of flight, maximum height, horizontal range, you go through this. And motion in a straight line, very simple chapter, and then in this one only the definition, very simple, and there is no trickiness and no any confusion or no depth questions will be asked you. And once after completing these all, just first focus these all. Once after completing these all, then you can go for the remaining chapters. We did not mention here, and those chapters also you can go through that. And so once we are finding time, and this will be helpful for you to get maximum marks. And whatever these chapters, total 12 chapters we have taken, in these 12 chapters, each chapter will take maximum half an hour, minimum half an hour, maximum 2 hours each chapter. I hope that, because only that subtopic formulas you practice, and afterwards numericals based on the sub formulas, and those formulas you solve it, though you will get it then. And here is a high weightage formulas, high weightage topics we have given from that one and from this one. And first of all, go through those particular topics and those subtopics. Then you solve the numericals 100%, there will be possibilities are there to get the best result, and practice the remaining chapters also once when you are finding time. Okay, wish you all the best, and wish you all the very success, and support me Nana, then go on watching our channel. Wish you all the best.